G'day guys and welcome back to the Fixit Fingers workshop. Today we're going to be looking at a new tool from Kreg. It is the Kreg Straight Edge guide, which I gave a very cheeky preview to in my last video. However, it wasn't set up. That was only one piece of it. Right, so today we're going to take a quick look at this new product and see what it can do for you in your workshop. If you'd like to see how to put it together in detail from unboxing to ready to use, then jump across to my channel following the link above and I'll go through every nut and bolt that you need to assemble it. Right now, let's jump straight into the critical specs. It is over 1.2 meters long, or 4 foot in the old money, which will allow you to cross-cut a regular sheet of plywood. However, there is an XL version which goes up to 2.4 meters, or 8 foot, and then you can rip-cut an entire sheet good. If you're halfway in between, there is an extension bar, which will take you from the small version to halfway between it and the XL if you need that little bit of versatility. So let's assume that you've got it, unboxed it, assembled it, and calibrated it. Now what can you do with it? Well, I can either take a small strip off this end by measuring out how thin I want that strip to be and marking it at both edges, or more commonly, I want this thing to be, let's say 970 millimeters. And we take two measurements from the far end and set up our cut with the guides. So, first things first, slide your guides all the way to where they're meant to be. Stopped by your lovely little blocks here. Hook it over and roughly position. Put one hand holding the movable stop block here. Grab the handle, give it a good pull. That'll then grip so your straight edge isn't going anywhere. Now, if these are in the correct position, you can use the guides and tap it over until they're perfectly lined up, remembering which side of the line you want to cut on. Once you're happy that everything is locked in securely, push these out of the way so that you don't hit them with a saw by accident. So obviously the primary intended use for the straight edge guide is with your circular saw that we have just calibrated to, and it will give you nice repeatable cuts. However, one of the advantages of this tool is you can also use it for your jigsaw, for your router, which is what I think I'll probably use it for most of the time, to cut some lovely dados or grooves. You can even get really creative and use it for drilling a whole line of pilot holes using a quick little jig, and of course for your torch. Once you're done, simply pull the handle to unclip, slide the guides out of the way, lean it up against the wall. Well, that's all we got for you today. If you've got any questions about the Kreg Straight Edge guide or any other Kreg product for that matter, pop it in a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Carbatec channel for updates on all the new Kreg gear that is coming out in the near future, and we will see you on the next one.